Welcome to the Classical Liberal Arts Academy's Petty School Arithmetic program. In this lesson, we'll continue our study of addition. In our last lesson, we learned that addition is the art of counting quickly by using our memory. Addition is the art of counting quickly by using our memory. And we learned the following addition facts. Adding by ones. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Adding by twos. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 2 equals 11. In this lesson, we'll begin adding by threes. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 and 3 makes 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 and 3 makes 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 and 3 makes 6. Now it's time to learn all of the adding 3 facts. Play the next slide until you memorize all of the adding 3 facts. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Now let us begin learning to add by fours. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 and 4 makes 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 and 4 makes 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 and 4 make 7. Now let us learn the adding 4 facts. Play the next slide until you memorize all of the adding 4 facts. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 9 plus 4 equals 13. We'll stop there with learning our addition facts. How about some Latin? In this lesson, we'll learn to add 3s and 4s in Latin. Let's begin adding 3s. Unus et tres sunt quatuor. Unus et tres sunt quatuor. Duo et tres sunt quinque. Duo et tres sunt quinque. Unus et tres sunt quatuor. Unus et tres sunt quatuor. Duo et tres sunt quinque. Duo et tres sunt quinque. Tres et tres sunt sex. Tres et tres sunt sex. Quatuor et tres sunt septem. Quatuor et tres sunt septem. Quinque et tres sunt octo. Quinque et tres sunt octo. 6 et 3 sunt 9. 6 et 3 sunt 9. 7 et 3 sunt 10. 7 et 3 sunt 10. 8 et 3 sunt 11. 8 et 3 sunt 11. 9 et 3 sunt 12. 9 et 3 sunt 12. Unus et quatuor sunt quinque. Unus et quatuor sunt quinque. Duo et quatuor sunt sex. Duo et quatuor sunt sex. 3 et quatuor sunt septem. 3 et quatuor sunt septem. Quatuor et quatuor sunt octo. Quatuor et quatuor sunt octo. Quinque et quatuor sunt novem. Quinque et quatuor sunt novem. 6 et quatuor sunt decem. 6 et quatuor sunt decem. 7 et quatuor sunt undecim. 7 et quatuor sunt undecim. 8 et quatuor sunt duodecim. 8 et quatuor sunt duodecim. 9 et quatuor sunt tredecim. 9 et quatuor sunt tredecim. In this lesson, we've learned to add by 3s and 4s. Let's stop here. Now it's time to study. I hope that you've enjoyed this lesson in the Classical Liberal Arts Academy's Petty School Arithmetic program. For more resources from the Classical Liberal Arts Academy, visit us online at classicalliberalarts.com. God bless.